How will you solve this question if you encounter such an exam? We are asked to solve log 2 raised to the power of x divided by 4 base 0.5 equals to 3. To solve this question, the first thing I would like you to know is that this x is only at the top of 2. Hello? This x is only the exponent of 2. It is not the exponent of 4. So we cannot apply the log of a power to solve this question. Hello? Do you know that if you have something like this, maybe log a base b raised to the power of c, this can be written as what? C log a base b, right? But here, this x is only affecting these 2, not this 4. So the best way to approach this question is to first change this to index form. Hello? This is in logarithmic form. This equation is in logarithmic form. We can change this to index form. Recall that if you have log y base x equals to 10, this is what? Logarithmic form, right? In index form, you're going to have y equals to x raised to the power of 10. The same thing we're going to do here. So I'm having log 2 raised to the power of x over 4 base 0.5 equals to 3. I'm going to change this equation to index form. And in index form, you're going to have 2 raised to the power of x over 4 equals to 0.5 raised to the power of 3. That is this base, we take this 3, and then you're going to set it to be equals to what you have here. So approach it like this. 0.5 can be written as 1 over 2, right? So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of x divided by 4 equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3. Any question? Okay, no question. The next step is that 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. So we're going to have 2 raised to the power of x divided by 2 raised to the power of 2 equals to 1 over 2 raised to the power of 3, right? Okay, when you get to this point, recall that a raised to the power of b divided by a raised to the power of c can be written as a raised to the power of b minus c, law of exponents. This law, we are going to apply it to the left-hand side of the equation. So we are going to have 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 equals to, at the right-hand side of the equation, if you have 1 over a, this can be written as a raised to the power of negative 1. That means that 1 over 2 can be written as what? 2 raised to the power of negative 1. So I'm going to apply this law at the right-hand side of the equation. So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of negative 1, this raised to the power of 3. 2 raised to the power of x minus 2 equals to a raised to the power of b raised to the power of c can be written as a raised to the power of b times c. Do you know? So I'm going to have 2 raised to the power of negative 1 times 3, that is negative 3. Because the base are the same, we can set the exponents to be equal. So we have x minus 2 equals to negative 3. X equals to negative 3 plus 2, right? X is equals to negative 1, which is the final answer. Trust you understand. If you didn't understand, you can let me know in the comment section and tell me the step. This is step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, 5, 6, 7. So tell me the step that you didn't understand. And do not forget to like the video, share the video, and also make sure that you subscribe to this channel, okay? See you in the next class.